The B-52 Stratofortress first flew in 1952, and remarkably, it's still flying today. The pilots who operate it now are often younger than the aircraft they fly. In many cases, their grandfathers could have flown the very same airframe decades ago. No other combat aircraft in history has served this long. And thanks to a major upgrade now underway, the B-52 is on track to keep flying for nearly a full century. This is the engineering behind the most enduring bomber ever built. The B-52 was designed by Boeing in the early 1950s. The first model flew in April 1952, and the aircraft entered service in 1955. Between 1952 and 1962, Boeing built 744 of these bombers. The final and most advanced version, the B-52H, is the one still in service today. Its dimensions are massive. The B-52 stretches over 159 feet long, with a wingspan of 185 feet, wider than the aircraft is long. Those enormous wings can hold a tremendous amount of fuel, which is the key to one of the B-52's greatest strengths, range. The aircraft is powered by 8 engines, mounted in 4 pods of 2 beneath the wings. This 8-engine configuration is one of the most recognizable features of the Stratofortress. With a full load of fuel, the B-52 can fly roughly 8,800 miles without refueling, far enough to reach almost any point on the planet. And with aerial refueling, its range becomes effectively unlimited, allowing it to launch from the United States and operate anywhere in the world. The aircraft cruises at high subsonic speeds, up to around 650 miles per hour, and can fly at altitudes of 50,000 feet. Its payload is equally impressive. The B-52 can carry approximately 70,000 pounds of weapons, a mix of bombs and missiles stored both internally and on its wings. This enormous carrying capacity has allowed the aircraft to be continually updated with new weapons over the decades, keeping it relevant generation after generation. But perhaps the most remarkable part of the B-52 story is happening right now. The U.S. Air Force is giving the entire fleet one of the most significant upgrades in its history. The aircraft's original 1960s-era Pratt & Whitney engines are being replaced with brand-new Rolls-Royce F130 engines. These modern engines are expected to improve fuel efficiency by around 30% and are so reliable they won't require a major overhaul for the rest of the aircraft's service life. Along with the new engines, the B-52 is receiving a modern radar system derived from the F/A-18 Super Hornet, upgraded cockpit displays, new communications equipment, and increased electrical power. Once an aircraft receives these upgrades, its designation changes from B-52H to B-52J. The first re-engined aircraft are expected to begin testing at Edwards Air Force Base by the end of 2026. The plan is to convert all 76 aircraft, with the upgraded B-52J expected to enter operational service in the early 2030s. These improvements are projected to keep the B-52 flying into the 2050s and possibly even to 2060, which would make the design nearly 100 years old. In the future, the B-52J will operate alongside the new stealth B-21 Raider, with the B-52 serving as a long-range bomber carrying advanced standoff weapons. The aircraft is operated by a crew of 5 and is affectionately nicknamed the Buff. Over its long service, the B-52 has outlasted every aircraft that was designed to replace it. While newer bombers have come and gone, the Stratofortress has kept flying. Proof that a brilliant original design combined with continuous modernization can stand the test of time. The B-52 Stratofortress, the bomber built to last a century.